Hello everyone. So we have an expression here again from indices. The expression is a square multiplied by b to the power minus 2 divided by a to the power minus 2 multiplied by b square, the whole of which is raised to 3 multiplied by a into b to the power minus 1 divided by a to the power minus 1 into b, the whole of which is raised to minus 2. So it seems a complicated expression which we have to simplify and solve. Okay, and the answer will be really simple. So to solve this problem, let us first take individual terms. Let us first solve this one, then we will solve this one, and then we will multiply. Okay, so let us take this term first. The term is a square b to the power minus 2 whole divided by a to the power minus 2 b square, the whole of which is raised to 3. Now we will break the term inside the bracket. Okay, this is a square and b square, in the middle there is no sign. So it indicates that a square is multiplied with b to the power minus 2. So a square is multiplied with b to the power minus 2 and this is divided by a to the power minus 2. Again there is no sign in between a to the power minus 2 and b square. So that means this a to the power minus 2 is multiplied to b square. Now there is a division sign, which means this whole term is divided by this whole term. We can break this too. So by breaking it, we can write it as a square divided by a to the power minus 2 multiplied by b to the power minus 2 divided by b square. This expression can be written as this by breaking. Now after writing this expression, in this case we have both the bases a and the powers are different. In the numerator the power is 2 and in the denominator the power is minus 2, but the bases are same and there is a division sign in between. So by the laws of indices, the powers, that is the indices, will be subtracted from each other. So we can write base a to the power 2 minus of minus 2. 2, then we are subtracting this minus 2 from this 2. So 2 minus of minus 2 multiplied by, same for this one, b to the power minus 2, this is the numerator, and then minus the denominator, the power of the denominator. Power is plus 2, so we will just write it 2. Minus 2 minus this 2. Okay. In the next line, a to the power 2 minus of minus 2. So minus multiplied by minus, we get plus sign. So this will become 2 plus 2. Multiplied by b in the power, there is minus 2 minus 2. So minus 2 and minus 2 means it becomes minus 4. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. A to the power 4 multiplied by b to the power minus 4. If we simplify this thing, this will come. If we simplify the term inside the bracket. Now outside the bracket there is a to the power 3. So again by the laws of indices, if we have a power inside and that power is raised to another power outside the bracket, so this power gets multiplied with this power. So we can break it first. We can write it as a to the power 4 raised to 3 multiplied by b to the power minus 4 raised to 3. Okay. This one will be a to the power 4 multiplied by 3, that means a to the power 12. And this one will be b to the power minus 4 multiplied by 3. So minus 4 and 3 if we multiply, the sign will be minus. So b to the power minus 12. So this portion is done. Now we will simplify this portion in the same way. So for this portion, let us break it. A multiplied by b to the power minus 1 divided by a to the power minus 1 multiplied by b, whole of which is raised to minus 2. Okay, so we will first simplify the term inside the bracket. A divided by a to the power minus 1. Okay, we have only a here. There is no power. It means that the power of a is plus 1. If there is no power, then we will take it as plus 1 power. Multiplied by b to the power minus 1 divided by, we have simply b. So that means it is b to the power 1 or plus 1. Okay, we will give the bracket and there is a minus 2 outside. Now this, here is the division sign, so the powers will be subtracted from the numerator to denominator. Okay, the numerator is 1 minus of minus 1 multiplied by b minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 is the numerator, then minus for the subtraction, and then the denominator, that is 1. Okay. We give the bracket and we raise the power to minus 2 equal to a to the power 1 minus of minus 1. Minus and minus gives us plus sign, so it will be a to the power 1 plus 1 multiplied by b to the power minus 1 means minus 2. There will be addition between the numbers and the sign will be minus, since both the numbers have minus sign, and the whole of which is again raised to minus 2. So this was the last expression. A to the power 1 plus 1 means 1 plus 1 is 2, that is a square. B to the power minus 2 is there, and this entire thing is raised to minus 2. So we will break it. A square, this thing is raised to minus 2, multiplied by again b to the power minus 2. This term is raised to minus 2. Now this power and this power will be multiplied. A to the power 2 multiplied by minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 is 2 into 2 is 4, and the sign will be minus, since one number has a positive sign, another number has a negative sign. The product will be negative. So a to the power minus 4 multiplied by b to the power minus 2 and raised to minus 2. So these two will get multiplied. The product will be obviously 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and the sign of the product will be positive because both the numbers have negative sign. So the sign minus multiplied by sign minus gives us plus sign for multiplication. So this will be plus 4, or we can simply write it as 4. So this is the simplified answer for this term, and this is the simplified answer for this term. Now we will, there was a multiplication sign between these two terms, so we will multiply a to the power 12 multiplied by b to the power minus 12 multiplied by a to the power minus 4 multiplied by b to the power 4. Let us rearrange it a little bit. We can write it as a to the power 12 multiplied by, we take the a after that, a to the power minus 4 multiplied by b to the power minus 12, this one is done, multiplied by b to the power minus 4. Have we taken all the terms? A to the power minus 12 we have taken, a to the power minus 4 we have taken, b to the power minus 12 we have taken, and b to the power 4 we have taken. So now in these two terms the bases are same, but the powers are different, and there is a multiplication sign in between. So by the laws of indices, we will have a to the power 12. What happens to the indices if the bases are same and there is a multiplication sign in between? The indices gets added. So 12 plus, this one is minus 4. So 12 plus minus 4 multiplied by, same for these two, the bases are same, that is b, and there is a multiplication sign in between, the powers will be added. The first power is minus 12 added to the second power, that is 4. Okay. Now we will add this 12 plus of minus 4. Plus multiplied by minus gives us minus. So 12 minus 4 it will be multiplied by minus 12 plus 4. So one number is negative, another number is positive. If there are two different signs, what will happen? We will do subtraction in between the numbers. So 12 minus 4 is 8. But what will be the sign? 8 will have the sign of the bigger number. Who is bigger here? 12 or 4? The greater number is 12. So the sign of 12 is minus. We will give minus sign over here. Now let us just simply add this thing. 12 minus 4, we are subtracting here. 12 minus 4 is 8 multiplied by b to the power minus 8. Okay, b to the power minus 8 can be written as 1 by b to the power 8. If we have a negative power, so it can be written as the reciprocal of the positive power. So we can write a to the power 8 multiplied by 1 by b to the power 8. b to the power minus 8 is written as b to the power 8. A to the power, in this expression, a to the power 8 is in the numerator, because we have written here simply a to the power 8, it means a to the power 8 by 1. So numerator multiplied by numerator, a to the power 8 multiplied by 1 is a to the power 8. 1 multiplied by b to the power 8, denominator multiplied by denominator. So 1 multiplied by b to the power 8 gives us b to the power 8. This can be written as, here we have a to the power 8, here we have b to the power 8, the powers are same, the bases are different. So instead of writing individually, we can take it in a common bracket. We can write a divided by b whole to the power 8. This is the simple answer of this entire expression. So if you have understood how to solve this problem, please do like the video, share it and subscribe the channel. Bye.